We'll start with the mustard C49S size 14. You can tie this on the smaller sizes, and we've got shear 40/0. So we'll just attach a few turns of tying thread up at the thorax, break that off, and what we need is a piece of pearl crystal flash. We just put that behind the thread, tie that in like so. So we fold that over, and we make a few turns just to keep it in place. Then we need some pearl. This is small ice blue pearl tinsel, UTC. I just want to tack this in. So let's be now tying thread anti-clockwise just to flatten it out, and we'll take hold of all three strands, and we'll go down into the bend. Now you can decide yourself how far you want to go down, how long you want to make the body, but that's about right for me there. So what I'll do now is flatten the thread out again. I just want to go up there we are. And then we'll take our, if I turn it this way you probably see better, take the flat pearl tinsel. I want to rib up the pattern over the abdomen up towards the thorax, and then we can go back, tie that off, remove that, just secure those ends. Then we lift up the two crystal hair, and we just want to trim those off into the rear of the thorax. Tiny bit of dark olive superfine dubbing, and we'll just make like so. And we need two white or dun CDC hackles. We put these back to back like so, and then what we do is we hold about halfway down and we pull all the fibres, all the barbs down each side, and then we take both of them, one each side, while holding them firstly with your right hand. We can go over once, twice just to secure them, and then we want to go back into that little dubbing dot, spread the wings, there we go, and we can lift all this up, trim it off, one more there, get rid of that, there we are. We can go forward, back into the wings. We need a small grizzle hackle. Now I like to leave quite a bit of the stem exposed because it'll give you an opportunity to position if you, when tying in, that you have a little bit of the stem above the thorax. This will give you a nice opportunity to position the hackle correctly before you start winding it. Trim that off, just secure the end down, back up, tiny bit more of the dark olive or olive brown dubbing. Hold the hackle in position and just go over the thorax. Forward. Hackle plier. That bit of dubbing. There we are. And we just position our hackle. Go forward. Swap tying thread around the back. Once in front and then round the back again. Whip finisher. Remove the hackle. Tiny drop of varnish just on the tying thread there. Give it another whip finish. Remove that. Now I turn this around. We can trim off the wings. And you'll find that the couple of fibres left, but they don't really matter that they're there, but you can remove them. One more there. Spread the wings. There we are. There's the hatching or cripple midge, and we can, if you wish, trim off fibres, the barbs of the hackle on the underside, just so it fishes a little deeper. If you enjoy the videos, please like, subscribe and share, and thanks for watching.